Just completed this new prototype I'm working on. I built my own battery box for my 3D printer. I forgot to put the switch on it, so I had to jerry rig it for now. So I'm gonna have to design this into the 3D printer. So I needed a box for these little 12 volts 23 amp batteries, and I got these batteries in a parallel circuit so that it will stay at 12 volts but double the amps, which would be about 45 amps. This will allow me to let my LED lights shine longer than, I think, 3 or 4 hours. I still have to test it out, but it'll allow it to last longer than just the one battery by itself. So this is my box. I just finished it, got it all together. So what it is, I have 3 magnets that I have underneath here that I designed in the 3D printer to stick underneath these battery case. And then the top is, I have 4 magnets here that I designed into the case, because I didn't want to use screws or anything to tie the top into the box. So since the batteries are metal and it's not going to short circuit out anything, so I already tested that out. So I'm going to just put the magnetic top over, and you see how it snaps in place. And there you go, nice, clean, crispy. And as you can see, the reason I made this pack, because nobody has a case for these type of batteries, especially not for 2 of them to be in parallel or in series. So hope you like the video. I gotta clean it up a bit. I gotta design this switch into it. I actually had to drill 2 holes in here to stick this on, but I want this switch to be on the inside, just where the tip here is sticking out. It'll look a little bit more professional than this. So that'll be something I'll do probably later on tonight, or if not this weekend. Alrighty.